Yeah, this here is a Deviant Dales. This is just fucking beer, and this is a shotgun beer review. Holy fuck. I lost the hole for a minute there. My face went a little numb because it's like I just chewed on a big bag of weed. That's what that tastes like, a big fucking bag of weed. That's pretty much it. It's so these dank ass fucking hoppy nuggets. God almighty. Whew. Holy shit. That's the hardest one yet. So yeah, that's Deviant Dales. It's hoppy as fuck. It's got a lot of heavy ass malt to it. It's good. It's good as shit. And it's like eating a bag of weed. So yeah, it's a fucking beer. It's a fucking Dales tall boy. Good ass Deviant Dales. Is it 8%, I think?
9.
Is it 9? No, that's dinner. There you have it. Fuck. Got me in the face, just like before.